Hello class 6. In my previous video I have explained you file, types of files, copying a file, moving a file, viewing a file and deleting the files. Today I will explain playing audio and video files, working with multiple applications and searching a file with wildcard characters. Today, most computers are equipped with a multimedia system. It allows us to play audios and videos that entertain us. We can play audio and videos, CDs, record sounds, control volume, etc. through a media system. For this, we need two different softwares to playing audio files. These two different softwares are Window Media Player. In short form, we will call this WMP. This software is used to store and play music, videos and images. Second is VLC Media Player. In short, we call it VLC. It is a media player that supports all audio and video formats and can play high definition recordings. In this WMP we cannot play high definition recordings, but in VLC we can play. If the system is set to the Window Media Player by default, we want to play any CD for audio or video in Window Media Player, then the audio files will be played directly on the WMP with a double click. It will not ask any questions to play that audio files. It will directly play that files on double clicking. We can also play audio files on the VLC Media Player so that WMP and VLC can play audio as well as video files. Some most popular extensions of audio and video files are, by these extensions we can know that this is audio file or this is video file. File extension and this is the description. MPEG, Moving Picture Expert Group. WMV, Window Media Video. This is a video file, this is not a audio file. WMA, Window Media Audio. This is a audio file. WAVE, Wave, Form Audio File Format, commonly known as WAV. WAV, we can call it WAV also. This is for audio file format, not video file format. MIDI, Musical Instrument Digital Interference. This is also an audio file. MP3, MPEG, Audio Layer 3. This is layer 3, so that MP3 we call it. This is audio, but MP4 is a video, and this is the layer 4. By mistake I have written layer 3. This is layer 4. Now working with multiple applications. It may happen that a user has opened several applications which contains documents, spreadsheet, files, PowerPoint presentation, files, etc. Any Word document. The system provides a way to perform various tasks on the same window or even in other application windows. The user can work on only one application at a time on the window that is active. We can open multiple applications at one time, but we can work only one application at a time. If the windows are minimized, then they can be activated just by clicking the document or application window on the taskbar. There are 3 types of buttons on the top right corner of an active window. These buttons are, this show minimize button, and this show maximize button, and this show close button. These 3 buttons are situated on the top right corner of an active window. But this is also minimize button, but when it will become in 2 windows, that it is known as restore button, and this is also close button. Now minimize button. I am explaining what is minimize button. When we click on this button, the active window shrinks. On which window we are doing work, that is known as the active window. It will be shrinks and takes the shape of a button on the taskbar. This is done only when the user does not want to use the application window currently but wants to keep it active. Suppose I am doing work in MS Word and I have opened and PowerPoint slide also, but I don't want to close that PowerPoint slide. For this purpose, I will click on that minimize button, then PowerPoint screen will be shrink and it will take the button size minus, so that that current application window is active and that will be in become shrink and it will showing by a negative sign. Then maximizing button. This button enlarges the active windows to its maximum after clicking on it. When we will click on maximizing button, it means that active window will be enlarged and it will show on complete screen on the computer. This button is used only after using the restoring button, which reduces the size of the active window, because when we click on restoring button, that button reduces the size of the active window, and if we want to maximize it, then we will click on that restoring button, then the button enlarges the active window to its maximum size. Now next is restoring button. This button, I told you that this button reduces the size of the active window. It can be maximized if required. Next is close button. If we want to close that active window where we are working, for this purpose we can close an active window by clicking on this button. Now searching for a file. In our computer system we have made so many files and we have forgot where is that file. We have forgot that folder's name where we have saved that file. For this purpose, searching is the process of finding a file on the computer. To search a file in more specific manner, in such a situation, we can use wildcard characters along with the file name to be searched. The well-known wildcard characters are this question mark and asterisk sign. These two are known as the wildcard character, which helps to search a file. First is question mark wildcard character. This question mark wildcard represents a single character in a file or in an extension. Suppose I have made my file in .doc in Word document and the extension of Word document is .docx. I forgot the first D, so for this purpose we will write dot question mark OC. This means we have forgot D, so that I have put in place of the question mark. It means any character can occupy the position of the question mark, and that question mark represent the D. Now wildcard character asterisk. This character represents all the letters present in the primary or the secondary name in a file. If the file search option is set as lesson star.docx, then it will display all the files starting with lesson. Suppose I have written lesson, but I forgot next name, and I have write lesson .docx, then it will all files will be come on my screen which are starting with the word lesson and having the extension .docx. We have done objective questions. Now we will do subjective questions. Open page number 36. Now we will do subjective question. Short answer. Question number 1. What is a file? You will get this answer. Page number 34. First point from chapter at a glance. Second, write the syntax of using a file name. Page number 18. You will start from syntax till example apc.docx. Till here you will write the answers of this question. Third question, name 3 categories of files. First, ordinary files. Second, directory folder or files. Third, special purpose files. Question number 4, what is the path of a file? On page number 24, you will start from knowledge corners, and that knowledge corner, one paragraph is there. That complete paragraph you will write the answer of these questions. What is meant by moving a file? Page number 26. In the windows, you will start from in the windows till original position. Complete paragraph you will write. What is the use of wildcard characters? The answer is on page number 33. You will start from to search a file till and asterisk full stop. This is the answer of these questions. Now long answer question. Only one question we will do. What is a searching? Mention all the steps to search a file. You will get this answer page number 32. You will start from searching a file, then till step 3 result in the windows. You will write till here. Now this chapter completed. In my next video, I will explain third chapters. You will complete your work at time. Hope you all will understood this chapter and you will complete your work at time. You will not disappoint me, students. Thank you.